Got something. All right. Today I'm going to give you your own island, and you have to tell me if you had your own island, what would you want? How would you want it to be? Okay.
Okay.
Where would you like your island to be?
Near Rajasthan area.
Near Rajasthan area? No.
No,
Rajasthan is not an area.
Rajasthan is a state, but yeah, near
Say
Rajasthan.
near Rajasthan.
Okay.
Which natural attraction should it include?
Everything.
No.
Mountains.
Tell me what. What is everything?
Okay. Beaches, mountains. Yeah. Beautiful flower fields.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay. What would you build on it?
I would make it a holiday place to visit.
As
in a hotel.
Okay, a hotel, okay.
It would be like there is a village in nearby Jaipur.
Not nearby Jaipur, near
Chokhi Dhani.
Chokhi Dhani. What is this? It's a hotel. It's a hotel, right?
It's a place where they show us all village type experience. They give us a village life experience.
They gave us a rural experience. Rural.
Okay.
R-A-L.
Rural experience.
And say village.
Village.
Very nice. You pronounced it correctly.
Okay.
Okay.
And I would plant a solar plant there for electricity.
Okay, very nice.
And
or you can also say I would have solar panels.
Okay, solar panels. And I would not allow there any digital equipments. Like mobile phones and laptops and all.
I'm not coming
Only
to your
my
island.
cameramen can capture their photos and all.
I'm not coming to your island. But nice, I like the idea. Very nice idea. So
yeah,
I'll tell you one.
Okay.
Go on. First you say.
And meditation center.
Nice. I'm coming to your island.
Okay. First.
What would your house look like?
It will be all natural.
As in?
I like I have seen a house like what we call it, underground house. In Mumbai, okay. I think it was in Mumbai. It is in Mumbai, I think. I recently I watched a video of that house, underground house, I think. So I like that house.
I understand.
Yeah.
It is near Mumbai, no?
Yes.
This.
Yes. Yes.
I got it. Saffron says Asanja.
What?
Saffron says Asanja.
Oh. Asanja.
Yes.
Okay. So my house would look like that.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But this is not near Mumbai. झूठ बोलते हैं. It's not near Mumbai.
Oh, okay.
No, it is 100 kilometers from Mumbai.
So
It
we
is
can't trust them.
near, not even near Navi Mumbai.
Okay. You are in Mumbai, right?
हाँ. But this is not near Mumbai, by the way. This is
Yeah.
झूठे लोग.
So my what was my sorry, I forgot the island. My island would be for for people who are living in big cities.
Okay, I'll come to
Pollution, and also they can experience
no pollution.
no pollution, and they will have good food there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What kind of water sports would you have?
Scuba diving, parasailing,
Achha. Good.
banana ride.
Nice.
I had some rides in Goa, so I just know 2, 3. That's it.
No, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice.
Yeah.
How would you spend a day on the island?
I would meditate there.
Nice.
I would visit flower fields, and
Okay.
yeah, I just connect with nature.
I will just connect with
I
nature.
just
I
feel the
will connect
connection
with
with nature. Yeah.
I will connect with nature.
Okay.
Would you live there permanently or just holiday there?
I
you
would
live
live
there
there permanently, but I need so much money. I
अरे
need
तो
a
okay ना think
helicopter.
सोचो तुम्हारा island helicopter ठीक give it.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
give
A
you
ship.
I'll give you a yacht.
Okay. So I need so many things there.
Passenger helicopter.
Yeah, I would live there, and I
Airbus
would
helicopter दिया
start
Airbus helicopter.
or I would organize a game for visitors.
I would organize games for visitors.
Okay. Organize tasks for visitors.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. How would you get to the island?
Sorry? How would I?
How would you get to the island? Get. Like, how would you reach the island?
By helicopter or by ship. Yacht. Yeah.
Ship is too big. Go for a yacht. Yacht is slightly smaller and cheaper also.
Okay. But I need so many things with me.
No, yacht is. I'll wait. I'll show you what's the yacht. These are yachts.
Okay, that's fine.
And these are some of the, for example, there are longer also. See, this is also a yacht.
Okay. Yeah, I would go with a yacht.
Ship is big.
Okay.
So yacht is like a bungalow. Example, ship would be like a city.
Oh, okay.
Or a society.
Okay.
मतलब जब काम बंगलो से हो तो society का मतलब नहीं ना.
Right.
Would you want to have your own mountain range?
No.
Would you want to have your own mountain range?
No, no.
No, take mountains. ना trekking करने मजा आएगा.
I'm too lazy.
Put the solar panel on the mountains.
Okay. Okay. I'll have.
Mountain. The people who come to visit, they can go on the mountains. Huh?
Yeah, for trekking.
You can build your house on the mountains.
There is a house on the top of the mountain. I can see from my house. So I always feel like how they get things. They have to come down and bring so many things and go back. Oh my God.
They would be doing this. They would be going once to the market, getting everything which they want. And yeah, once that's done, that's done.
And they ride a bike there. Oh my God, it's too risky.
No, but I would genuinely love to have a house on the mountain.
Sorry?
I would like to have a house on the mountains.
Oh, you should visit Kathmandu. You can find it easily.
Yeah.
I'll
sell everything over here. I will steal some money from bank, do bank robberies, and will come to Nepal.
But you can't own your house in Nepal because you are not Nepali citizen.
But I've got money.
You can have a flat. You can have a flat only.
But I'll have a lot of money. I will steal money from the bank. I'll have a lot of money.
It doesn't matter for them. You need a Nepali citizen. You can convince him like, I will give you money. Just give this house to me.
I'll give you money. No, just not to be used. What if I get married to a Nepali girl? Then chalega?
Yeah, then and she'll be the owner.
Yeah. So if you know any Nepali girl, tell me.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I know. You know? Yeah, I know one girl. Yeah.
Very nice. Tell her.
I'll ask her.
So I have there's a person who I know. He had once told me that in Nepal things are very expensive compared to India. We were talking about motorcycles, and he had told me that what had he told me? He had told me that a motorcycle which is for, let's say, 5 rupees in India is for 12 rupees in Nepal.
That's right.
Same goes for cars also. They're very expensive.
Yeah. My husband is working in automobile sector, so I know.
In the automobile sector.
In the automobile sector, yeah.
So yeah, very expensive.
Everything is very expensive here. Even schools. Yes. We had to pay almost 27,000 per month for Divya.
Oh.
Yes. For CBSE board.
Then why don't you guys come back to India then? Seriously, I'm asking.
Yeah, yeah, but my whole family is here.
True.
Yeah.
My whole family, my whole family.
My mom, dad also in Nepal.
Yes. So when you have to come to India, you guys don't need a visa or a passport, right?
No. We need only voter ID card.
Oh. So even I can do the same thing?
Yes.
Nice.
You don't even need voter ID card if you travel by bus and all.
क्या बात करते हो?
Yes.
Nice, yeah.
From Raxol, you can just use a auto rickshaw to come Nepal.
Come to Nepal?
Yes, to come to Nepal.
You're serious?
Yes.
That's so nice. So cool.
Yeah.
I'm genuinely surprised.
Yeah, that's true.
So there is no checking done?
Raxol is a area in Bihar. It's connected with Nepal, Birganj area.
Area or city?
It's not a big city. I don't know, but yeah, Raxol is a border of India, and the Birganj is the border of Nepal. Raxol.
Raxol is a town, not an area. It's a town.
Okay. Raxol is
area is very different.
Like what?
Area is different, city is different, town is different. It's on the border, yeah. Raxol.
Indian border.
Birgunj Customs Office.
Birganj is Nepal's border.
Acha.
So yeah, we.
Shankaracharya Paresh Dwar. है ना?
Yes.
There's a temple also over there, Inarva.
Yeah.
You know, for the longest time, when I was a kid, I always thought Nepal was once upon a time a part of India. I also always think this. That Nepal was a part of India. Nepal, Bhutan, all were part of India.
I also believe because before, we call Bharat because of Maharaja Bharat. In his kingdom, Nepal was in India.
I'll give you feedback, Sonia. So, a few mistakes we made today, but I'm mostly going to give you positive feedback. Very well you spoke. As usual, wonderful fluency, very nice, decent vocabulary, I'm going to say. There is scope for improvement because you learn that mistakes are being made. They should ideally not be made because you have been on clapping in some time. So those mistakes should not be made. You're speaking well. I'm going to say there's good progress also.
Okay. Thank you.
Very nice. We have 10 seconds left, so I think we'll meet next time.
Yeah, sure.